Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius maintenance light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. If you have a push-button start, press the power button twice without touching the brake pedal. Make sure your dashboard displays the total odometer mileage, not a trip meter like trip A or trip B. Now, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. This is a crucial step before proceeding. Next, find the trip meter reset button, usually near your odometer display. You will need to press and hold this button for the next step, so get ready to keep it pressed down. With the trip meter reset button still firmly pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes appear on the odometer display, which will then count down until all zeros are shown. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once the odometer displays all zeros, you can release the trip meter reset button. The maintenance required light should now be off. To confirm the reset was successful, start your engine as usual. The light should no longer illuminate, indicating your maintenance reminder has been cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.